Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to use a new method, adding or subtracting, to find the solution to the linear system. In this example, I'm going to add these two equations. Because if we added positive 5x and negative 5x, these two variables will be canceling out each other. So these two guys are gone, and then we have negative 1y, positive 4y, add together is 3y. 8 and negative 17 add together is negative 9. Divided by 3, divided by 3, and we got 1y, that is y is negative 3. In the previous lesson, we learned once we find y, we can plug it back in to find x. I'm going to use 5x minus y equals 8. So 5x minus minus is plus 3 equals 8. Subtract 3, and 5x is 5. X is 1. All right? Now, we're going to spend a little bit of time to check work, make sure everything is good. To check work means we're going to plug it back in to see if the equation is still true. All right, the first equation says 5 times x, x is 1. Minus is plus 3. Is it 8? Yes, yes. Next one, we're going to check again. Negative 5 times 1. And plus 4 times negative 3. That's negative 5, that's negative 12, that's negative 17. That is true. All right. Now, we worked on this together. You know what's coming. Next one, you're going to work on this all by yourself. This is your problem. You're going to solve it for x minus 5y equals 14 and negative 4x plus y equals negative 6. Go ahead and pause this video and practice this one. All right, welcome back. And we notice we have a positive 4x, negative 4x. Beautiful, which means we can add these two equations. Yes, we add them, and these two guys cancel out. Negative 5y plus 1y, that is negative 4y. 14 minus 6, that gives us 8. Divided by negative 4, divided by negative 4, y is negative 2. Did you also have y is negative 2? Good. All right, we're going to continue work on this. I'm going to erase this, see which one I want to use. You can use either 1 or 2, and they're good. I'm going to use 2. I'm going to use 2. I'm going to say negative 4x plus y, right? Plus y is minus 2 is negative 6. I'm going to add 2, negative 4x is negative 4, divided by 4, negative 4, divided by negative 4, x is a positive 1. And the last, we're going to proudly, happily write down our solution is 1, negative 2. Just a friendly reminder, you worked hard, you figure out this is x, this is y. When you write down, make sure you copy down them correctly. Don't flip the order. All right, we practiced how to add the equation. Earlier we said we have two methods. One method is called subtraction. Let's see if I have a question for you. We can do subtraction. Okay, I have this question. 9x minus 2y equals 34. The next one is 5x minus 2y equals 10. All right, this is my 1, this is my 2. Now I come here to look at this. Oh, you guys, one is negative 2x. The other one is also negative 2. Excuse me, I meant to say one is negative 2y. The other one is also negative 2y. What if you two are opposites? If you're opposites, one is negative, one is positive. I add you two, then I got a 0. Can we do something? Yes, we can. Earlier, we simply added. Now, we're going to subtract it, okay? Let's see if we subtract it, what's going to happen. I'm going to use the first equation, subtract the second equation. So subtracted, we do baby step, okay? Subtracted. Now, I'm going to copy down. 9x minus 2y equals 34. I'm going to minus the second one. Minus 5x. You see here? Minus gives me plus. Yes, we got this. And copy down this one. Minus 10. Okay, when you get really good at this, you don't have to write down this 2 times. You can immediately do the sign change. Now, since we got a positive, negative, now we subtracted, we got a positive, negative. Now we can do some work. 9 minus 5, that is 4x. These two cancel out. 3 and negative 10, that is 24. That gives us x is 6. Are you with me? Okay, x is 6 now. The next one gonna be simpler. We're gonna plug in. I'm gonna use the second one. I'm gonna use 5x minus 2y equals 10. If you want, you can use the first one. We got x is 6. So 5 times 6 minus 2y equals 10. 5 times 6 is 30. Minus 2y equals 10. Minus 30 each side, negative 2y, negative 20, divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2. Y is 10. Did you also have a 10? Alright, I'm going to change the color and just write our final solution right here. And x is 6 and y is 10. This is our solution to this linear system by using a method called subtraction. Happy learning!